Looking for a professional digital microscope that delivers precision, clarity, and performance? Whether you're a hobbyist, technician, or educator, this list has something for everyone. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best professional digital microscopes you can get your hands on right now. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Inskam 330 Professional Digital Microscope. The Inskam 330 Professional Digital Microscope offers a blend of precision, clarity, and versatility, making it a powerful tool for both hobbyists and professionals. At its core is a 7-inch Full HD display that delivers crisp, detailed visuals for observation, image analysis, and real-time testing. Whether you're examining intricate circuit boards or exploring the fine textures of organic materials, the large screen provides a comfortable and immersive viewing experience. With a magnification range of 50x to 12x, the Inskam 330 allows users to easily zoom in on subjects and capture fine details with remarkable clarity. Adjusting the focus and camera height enables users to toggle between a broader view or sharper close-ups, making it suitable for a wide range of applications from educational exploration to precision tasks like soldering or electronics repair. The microscope is equipped with a micro TF card slot, enabling convenient storage of images and videos during observations. This feature ensures that important findings or reference visuals can be archived or shared with ease. Additionally, it supports real-time viewing on a PC when connected via USB, allowing users to view subjects on a larger monitor and enhance collaboration or documentation processes. Designed with user comfort in mind, the adjustable stand and screen angle help reduce eye strain, enabling longer, more efficient working sessions. Its stable, metal construction not only adds durability but also reinforces its suitability for detailed technical tasks. Ideal for both educational settings and professional environments, the Inskam 330 Professional Digital Microscope combines functionality with user-friendly features to deliver a high-performance, digital imaging experience. Coming in at number 4, the Rievbcau DM12 Professional Digital Microscope. The Rievbcau DM12 Professional Digital Microscope is built for those who seek clarity, versatility, and immersion in their explorations. Featuring a vivid 10.1-inch IPS screen, it offers a bright, detailed display that enhances every observation. Whether you're studying circuit boards, examining coins, or simply exploring nature, the expansive screen ensures that every detail comes to life with exceptional clarity and vibrant color. With a powerful magnification range of 50x to 2000x, the DM12 allows users to zoom in on microscopic structures and textures, revealing a world that's invisible to the naked eye. This adjustable magnification range makes it ideal for hobbyists, educators, and professionals alike. Capturing your discoveries is effortless with the included 32GB TF card. You can store high-resolution images and revisit your findings anytime. Adding to this is a built-in real-time voice recording feature, which lets you annotate observations on the spot, perfect for documenting scientific research or educational demonstrations. Compatibility is another highlight. Whether you're using Windows 7, 8, 10 and above, or macOS, the DM12 seamlessly connects to your system. It also includes a high-definition multimedia interface, making it easy to project your live view onto external displays for collaborative study or presentations. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the DM12 runs smoothly on direct electricity and includes a battery-powered light source, allowing for clear visuals even in darker environments. Its portable functionality ensures you can take your explorations wherever curiosity leads. The Rievbcau DM12 combines advanced imaging, intuitive features, and rugged flexibility, making it a powerful tool for anyone passionate about uncovering the finer details of the world around us. At number 3, we have the Tomlov DM9 Max Professional Digital Microscope. The Tomlov DM9 Max Professional Digital Microscope offers an immersive and versatile exploration of the microscopic world, blending advanced imaging technology with user-friendly features. At its core is a vibrant 10.1-inch HD IPS display that delivers exceptional clarity, vivid colors, and a wide 178-degree viewing angle, making it perfect for everything from intricate soldering work to detailed coin examination. With a powerful zoom range from 5x to 15x, this microscope unveils astonishing details in objects such as plants, circuit boards, gemstones, and insects. The dynamic magnification brings hidden structures into sharp focus, making it a valuable tool for students, hobbyists, collectors, and professionals alike. For broader viewing and sharing, the DM9 Max includes HDMI and USB-C output options. Connect to a TV, computer, or projector to showcase discoveries on larger screens, ideal for classrooms, presentations, or collaborative projects. With built-in capture and video recording functionality, users can document their findings effortlessly. A generous 64GB SD card comes included, offering ample space for storing high-resolution images and videos. Beyond visuals, the microscope enhances the user experience with its advanced audio recording capabilities. Equipped with a high-sensitivity microphone and noise reduction chip, it ensures crystal-clear sound when recording lectures or DIY projects. With high-resolution imaging up to 20MP for photos and full HD for videos, the Tomlov DM9 Max stands out as a powerful, intuitive microscope designed to inspire discovery and precision across educational, scientific, and creative applications. Next up at number 2 is the Elikliv EM4K-AF Professional Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K-AF Professional Digital Microscope introduces a new era of convenience and precision with its groundbreaking autofocus capability. By harnessing advanced AI algorithms, this microscope automatically adjusts focus in real time, ensuring crisp, clear images even when the object moves. Gone are the days of manual fine-tuning. This intelligent system maintains continuous clarity for an effortless experience. Equipped with a state-of-the-art TOF sensor, the EM4K-AF delivers highly accurate distance measurements within just 2 seconds. This sensor adapts seamlessly across various lighting conditions, making it suitable for different sample types and environments, whether in labs, classrooms, or fieldwork. Visual excellence is at the heart of the EM4K-AF. Capture ultra-clear stills with an impressive 52MP resolution or record lifelike 4K UHD video at 30 fps. The large 8-inch IPS display offers vivid colors, 1280x800p resolution, and a 178 wide viewing angle for an immersive observation experience. The microscope supports tri-screen output via HDMI and USB, enabling users to project visuals onto monitors or computers for enhanced viewing. Whether examining electronic components or studying biological samples, the expanded view delivers unmatched detail and clarity. Portability is another highlight, thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery, allowing users to operate the microscope on the go without worrying about power availability. The included smart controller simplifies capturing photos, videos, and zoom operations, complemented by a pre-installed 64GB card for ample storage. Designed with functionality in mind, the taller 10-inch stand and wide base provide the perfect platform for capturing entire objects like coins, while freeze and split screen features enable detailed analysis and direct comparisons in real time. With the Elikliv EM4K-AF, digital microscopy becomes more intuitive, powerful, and versatile than ever before. Finally, at number 1, we have the Andonstar AD210S Plus Professional Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD210S Plus Professional Digital Microscope is engineered for precision, clarity, and collaborative viewing, making it an ideal tool for electronics technicians, educators, and professionals requiring high-definition magnification. Equipped with a UHD 4K sensor, this microscope delivers ultra-clear imaging with high-speed performance, ensuring smooth and detailed visuals even during intricate procedures like soldering or circuit board inspection. One of its standout features is the ability to provide simultaneous displays on both the microscope screen and an external HDMI monitor. This allows multiple viewers to observe the same magnified image in real time, making it perfect for teaching, live demonstrations, or collaborative analysis. Whether in a classroom or a technical workspace, Users can easily share their findings and record high-resolution footage for documentation or review. The AD210S Plus is designed with functionality and flexibility in mind. Its upgraded metal bracket supports both vertical and horizontal adjustments, providing enhanced stability and precision during use. This sturdy build is particularly useful for delicate tasks, where even the slightest movement can affect accuracy. The adjustable bracket ensures users can position the microscope to match the specific needs of their work without compromising on comfort or visibility. Built as a soldering microscope station, it caters to the high demands of electronic technicians. From examining micro-components to performing detailed repairs, the AD210S Plus combines cutting-edge imaging with user-friendly operation. Its blend of high-definition display, versatile mounting, and professional-grade construction makes it a valuable addition to any technical bench or lab environment.